I am going to balance the equation, which involves the burning of methane gas in our homes to produce heat. Also, the burning of methane gas in our stoves also produces energy to cook our food. Methane is CH4. To begin, I start by counting the number of atoms of each element in the reactants and in the products. I see that I have 1 carbon in the reactants and 1 in the products. I see that I have 4 H's in the reactants and 2 in the products. So what I'm doing here is taking inventory of the number of each atom. In the reactants, I have 2 O atoms. In the products, I have 2. And I'm not going to forget this one over here, which makes 3. Okay, so I see that carbons are balanced, hydrogens are not, and neither are oxygens. I'll start with hydrogen. To make there be 4 hydrogens on the right in the products so that the number of reactant H atoms is equal, I'm going to put a 2 in front of H2O. I'm going to change my inventory chart to update it because 2H2O now contains 4 H atoms. 2 times 2 is 4. And also in the products, there will be 2 oxygens from 2 waters, but also the 2 from CO2. So that will make this 4 oxygens. So I can see that carbon's balanced and hydrogen's balanced in both the reactants and products, but oxygen is not yet balanced. So to make oxygen balanced, I see I need to have 4 O's in the reactants. If I put a coefficient of 2 in front of O2, I get 2 times 2 is 4. I now have 4 oxygens in the reactants, 4 in the products, and I see that my reaction is now balanced.